Hi guys, welcome back. Long time no see. It's been a long ass time. And I know, so I'm gonna let y'all in on where I've been, what's the scoop, what's going on. Just know your girl is back. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Where the freak have I been? So I've been procrastinating. Like, to be 1000% honest, that's where I've been. I think about YouTube every day, and I think I let the fear of seeing other people, of letting other people see me fail, like, stop me. Which is, I want to use the word pathetic, but it's not. Because we all have those moments. I mean, my moment should not have been a year. I should have acknowledged the feelings, but like, essentially keep it going. You know what I'm saying? Keep it pushing. And like, I was already doing it, so I should have just kept doing it. You feel me? So yeah. And I started therapy maybe about, I want to say, it's hard because I started therapy and then I stopped going and then I went back. So I've been consistently going for the past month. I go through my school, but it's on a break, so that's awkward. So no more therapy until January. But this video originally was an opportunity for growth. Essentially, it's homework assignments for my therapy because I talk about how passionate I am about YouTube, but I'm not doing it. Make it make sense, you know what I'm saying? So thank God for Rosie. She's amazing, okay? Like, she's the reason why essentially I'm doing this video, period. Like, she instilled in me that, like, girl, you still got it. And I was like, girl, I do still got it. So yeah, Rosie's the MVP. If you're thinking about therapy, if you're not thinking about therapy, try therapy. I love it. Best thing ever. And I mean, I get perks because Rosie's amazing. But yeah, so essentially the past year, I have been ashamed, nervous, afraid, and of what exactly? I don't know. And I'm so hypocritical because I'm like, I don't care what people think, but essentially I do because I let it stop me from what I was wanting to do. But if it was one of my friends or something, I would have been like, girl, if you don't then people and keep it pushing, like, so I need to take my own advice. So what have I done? Obviously not YouTube or pretty much any social media. I changed my major. I'm a communications major at Jacksonville University still. I cannot talk during this, I'm so sorry, hold on. I want to work in social media. I want to do my own social media, of course, but I also wouldn't mind like working in like sports business or doing someone else doing like a social media manager or working for like a social media managing company or even working for a brand with working with their like influencers, so on and so forth. Being completely transparent, I have no idea when I'm graduating. Ideally I'm graduating either winter of 2023 or fall of 2024. Not fall, spring of 2024. Did I say that right? Either 2023 fall or 2024 spring. And a lot of that is due to my major, but I also have some bad grades. Like, that's it. I failed some classes. And let's normalize that real quick, okay? In college, 9 times out of 10, all my friends have failed at least one class. Most of them. I mean, I'll say all of them, but most of them. It happens. And essentially, school is not for everyone. And girl, for a second there, I thought it wasn't for me. But I'm almost done. Hold on, I gotta do the other bra. Yeah, before a second there, I didn't think school was for me. But I feel like, too, it's my junior year. I'm in that, like, middle portion where it was like, do I still want to do this? Like, am I doing the right thing? Like, blah, blah. I had an amazing opportunity over the summer to work for my school as a social media coordinator for their orientation. I did that and I loved it. Absolutely loved it. I did have a very challenging summer. I'm not gonna go too in depth, but I just had a life-changing summer, which is another reason why I think literally since the last time I put this camera on, I've probably been at least 7 different people. Like, not like, no cap, like my life has changed kind of drastically. After the summer, what happened? What's next after that? I'm going on with my foundation. I wasn't gonna put on foundation. It's Black Friday right now, y'all, if y'all was wondering. Side note. So, yeah. School started. And this semester meant a lot to me because I just wanted to start fresh, you know? And so like during the summer, as y'all can probably see now, I did my hair completely black. I took away my skunk stripe and just kind of, I did my nails up. They're white right now too, which is kind of crazy. But like, I literally just wanted to refresh, like restart. And that's, in the new beginning of semester gave that to me. I am still an RA. My haul theme this year is Barbie. I always say Barbie haul, best haul, because Barbie haul, best haul. My haul is so cute this year. Everything is pink. It's kind of meshed into my room now. I've never been a pink girl, but here I am. Concealer. I'm gonna go with the same concealer right here. And I've been in like a bright under eye girl lately, if you couldn't tell by the amount of concealer I just applied. But yeah, Barbie haul, best haul. The semester just ended. I go to a private school, so like I don't have like a Thanksgiving break. My Thanksgiving break goes into Christmas break, so it's just like one break. I'm off from like November to December. And like for me, the semester overall went well. Like I went to Pittsburgh with my girlfriend, and that has nothing to do with school. It came with its challenges, and I definitely struggled a little bit, but I learned a lot. And it's crazy because I had this big push, like I want to do better, I want to change my life, I want to do great academically, and did it. But at the end, I did manage to get my life together. So I'm currently waiting on my grades right now. Right now I have one A that I just got. I got 100% in a class making a website, and I absolutely love my website. I'm obsessed with it. But yeah. So I was able to turn it around. I don't recommend doing that next semester. Hopefully, like, you guys are gonna help me. We are gonna need to like get on track and stay on track. And after the semester ended, literally I just finished a 10-page paper yesterday, and I'm done now. And so I have some goals I want to work on over the course of the winter break, because I'm not taking a winter class for the first time in forever. Like, I've been doing school full time. I took winter classes and I took like summer classes, so like I have, what am I doing? I'm a rookie to this, y'all, I hope I know. I have been literally, my under eyes look like so bright under the camera, but whatever. But yeah, so now I worked at Ulta, literally, thank you. I started working at Ulta right after the school year ended last year, or kind of like, yeah, right towards when the end of school was. And once school ended, I'm gonna set this. Once school ended, I applied to Ulta. I ended up working there for about like 4 or 5 months. I absolutely loved it. But then this is the semester that I started struggling, so I stopped working at Ulta to try to like get my grades up and stuff. Not that that worked, but I did. Like, I stopped working at Ulta. I didn't get my grades up. And like I went on a trip that spring break to like Daytona, and I went to Pittsburgh again because my girlfriend's from Pittsburgh. And what am I talking about? Oh yeah, and then I just started back working at Ulta like 2 weeks ago, and this is November. So like I started back at Ulta within the year. And so I love working at Ulta. It's definitely different because it's been a while, but the possibilities are beautiful there, so literally. So I just enjoy working there. So I'm back. And I like money and I like expensive things. And yeah, and I kind of want to start like, you know, creating my own money, because like I do want to kind of like live on my own and stuff coming up soon with school ending. So I kind of want to have that, like, I want to say safety net, but like in the back of my head, you know, kind of want to start sooner than later. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much all. That's like my update. Like nothing new other than that has happened. Like my girlfriend got a dog and stuff, and his name's Kobe. You probably seen him on Instagram. I did try box braids for the first time. My birthday is coming up on the 7th of December. Life's getting scary. I'm about to be 22. So I think right now my main thing is just glowing up, honey. I was watching some of my old videos and it was just like, I was doing this perfectly fine. And it's not even that I'm like some sort of like perfectionist or something, because it's not really like my personality, because it's not going to be perfect. It's going to be trial and error, and we're going to figure it out. And that's my period. And I forgot to put on blush, but I'm not going to forget that. We're going back and putting that blush on. My goal right now is just to start doing more things that I want to do. I hate how every year, and please tell me if you can relate, but every year I will have the same, like I can go back to like 2017 and look at my like my New Year's resolutions or what I wanted to do differently that year, and they're like all the same. Like nothing's changed. I want to do the same things that I wanted to do in high school, probably like my junior year in high school, and I'm a senior in college now. So it's like I need to get some like discipline. It's time. Like it's now or never. I'm about to be 22. 2017, I was turning 17, and I still have the same goals as a 22-year-old. But people have really helped me, you know. I've been allowing people to help me, like my therapist, and I have a great mentor named Asha. I love her to death. My girlfriend is my biggest support system, and of course my family. Like, and I think too that was a little part of it, because like I wasn't completely sure how my family would interpret my social media, and I think that kind of stopped me as well. Yo, this blush is like, I literally look at Oompa Loompa. Did I go like hard in the paint? Maybe I did. Okay, the base is pretty much done. Sorry. And I really have to start living for myself. Like, you cannot live for your family, for your parents. You have to do it for you. Okay, I'm going to put some highlighter on. I'm gonna do my lashes off camera because I don't really have lashes. I'm about to like try to do something with these. They're from Allure, and those are my favorite. I can go more in depth about like my actual makeup that I use, but I really just want to talk to you guys because I do want to start YouTube again. I am starting YouTube again, but I also didn't want to just start and be like, hey guys, what's up? When I completely left out in the dark. You know what I'm saying? So I kind of wanted to update you guys and kind of like to wrap things up. Like, sorry, I'm looking at the thing to see how this looks. I was essentially nervous, I was afraid, and I want to say embarrassed a little bit. And I think I needed this time for this growth, you know what I'm saying? And that I wanted to, or and I know if I could go back, I would have done YouTube still and social media in general. But we're here now. I learned the things that I learned, and I'm equipped with all this knowledge now. And so we're back and we're better. AlwaysAmayaa. You already know. You see the sign? Do you like the new background? Do y'all like it? Okay. I'm gonna put my lashes on, do my hair, and come back. So this is the final look. I managed to like get some lashes on. I am a like newbie to makeup, so if you have like any tips, you was like, girl, you did that totally wrong, please help me out. Thank you guys again. Just thank you guys for absolutely everything. I appreciate you guys for just sticking with me. We hit 1,000 subscribers while I was gone. Like, that's crazy. Like, that's crazy. But again, I love you guys so much. Please be safe, and I will see you guys in my next video, because guess what? There will be a next video. But you guys be safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Toodles!
I'll take pop.